guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you guys have already seen my videos before, I baked the sugar cookie. But to give it a twist, we're gonna be baking late Christmas cookies. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and like and comment down below if I should make more baking videos. We are first going to introduce our cookie cutters. So first we got this star. We got this heart. Then we got the snowman, the Christmas tree, Santa, and last but not least, a cat. And I don't know why we have a cat, but we have a cat. Now we need to throw all these tags away. Okay, that won't work. Okay. That didn't work. Now, we got the same as last time, the sugar cookie mix. Now, we're gonna go into the thing. We got our cookie batter, butter, and egg, bowl, and the spoon. Also, for the next video, if you guys wanna see that, we're gonna be decorating the cookies. So stay tuned for that next week. Next week. Heat oven as directed below. It says here there's a bunch of I don't think you guys can read it because it's reversed and it's my rules. Okay. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now it's hollow inside. Yeah. Back into the bowl.
Going down, come on! Shake it up.
And now that's our cookie mix. Oh, wait, shoot. I should have put half of it and then put the egg and then mix it a little bit, but it's okay, guys. We're gonna now melt the butter.
A few moments later.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh God. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Whew. Gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, okay. That's why we got our spoon. Shoot, I forgot we only need half. Okay, so I forgot we only need half the butter, so I warmed all the butter and put all the butter in, but I think it's okay. Okay. So, we got this, but I think we add the remaining butter. I need a spoon. There we go. I wonder if I could make 2 eggs. Oh, I got some butter on my hands. Yeah, I don't think the stick's doing too much. So we're gonna use our hands now. Okay, update. I remember last time I used my hands, so now we're gonna use my hands. With our hands. Okay. Bake. Oh, wait, 360. preheating it, right? So now we are going to start cookie cutting. I think we personally should go, wait, we need to sprinkle a little bit of powder, right? Okay, so we got our floor spread around. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, there you go. You can like see the floor. So hopefully it won't stick to this. It came off with it. Oh yeah. And I'm getting the hang of it. Do a little thing. Oh, it didn't come out. I think we got our Christmas tree. Putting that in the pan. Remove everything around it. Yay. How lovely. Get a little good in with Santa and then take out. We got in the candy cane and we just pushed in the tree. I'm gonna take those out. And another snowman right next to Santa. Making another star. And we haven't done a cat yet, so we're gonna use the cat. All right, now we are going to take cat. Lots of butter on cat. And then we're going to squish cat down. I have a cat named Cam. He's a squishmallow, but I like him very much. We have this much left, and I think I might just make it a regular ball. I'm gonna make this one like a patty cake one. I'm gonna mark an initial on it. Roll it, pat it. I'm going to mark it with a C. So this is my fit. It's my North Face crop shirt with my black flare leggings with my black Nike socks. So now we got black minute and red minute. Now we got our second batch of cookies. And we're gonna close up. And now we're gonna put a timer for 20 minutes.